label I will drop here. That's Tawasi, aka Ghana, last word before he died. He's breathing. Blood is gushing out. He said that Benue will have no peace because they tied me for nothing. I fought their fights. I stand by them. And they conspire with government and Catholic group to buy me just like that. There will be no peace in Benue. That young man died. Go and check this history. I grew up in Benue. When Ghana died now, is there peace in Benue? Answer is no.
Alright, so I am live in Yelewata in Benue State where the attack took place yesterday that claimed the lives of over 200 persons. The herdsmen attack. Now, what my eyes have seen, my mouth cannot speak unless you will see it by yourself. So please follow me with the camera. Now, if you notice something, you can see the smoke still coming out because everywhere was burnt. Please take the camera around.
I don't even know what to say at this point in time because it's gonna be just
please listen. I'm here to speak about what is going on in Benue State. I greet you all, my lovely Benue people, my good friends in Benue State. Nsu. Yes, I hope you sleep well. And to all the title holders and kings. I greet you all. Please, Benue State has become something else more than before. Benue State is a place all of us run to when we need shelter, or place we run to when we need foodstuffs, because that place is a place to be. I have been in Benue State for years. I have shop in Benue State, in Kasenala, in Ndigbo, and in Abaji. I know everything about Benue State. But there's one thing about Benue State. They fought individuals that stand to fight for them. And they're supporting government to take over their land. That's why today they are crying bitterly. Had it been that Benue people are supporting their individual to fight for them, they for win this race for a long time. Who is ruling them now? Reverend Father. Reverend Father that never won any soul for God in his church. And you think that he can win any soul on the street. Let me tell you one history. There's one man called Tawasi. Many people called him Ghana. See the picture here. Nigerian police force labeled him a terror. They label him criminal. They label him a kidnapper. And that man, Benue people conspire with the Reverend Fathers. They lure him out from his hideout. They give him over to Reverend Father in Kasenala. That Reverend Father now hand him over to the government people. They kill that man in Ndigbo. They fight that man in Ndigbo before he reach Boko. And immediately they fight that man, Benue become terror ground. Who is Tawasi? Tawasi, we call him Ghana when we were in Benue. That man has been fighting for Benue people. He lived in the bush. He stays in the bush. He combed the bush. That man has destroyed more than 100,000 Fulani henchmen and terror Hausa people in Benue State. The man don't give them chance to operate. He took the fight and fight it alone with his boys. When Suswan came to government, he used the same man because Suswan is from that region. So Suswan reign was peaceful more than all these things. After Suswan, Oton enter. Suswan party lose power. Oton enter. Oton tried to work with the man to bring him out from bush so that these Fulani people and Hausa people, they will buy this man so they will take over the land. After all these things, Ghana resists. They give amnesty just to bring him out that time. He come out, they give him money, give him everything, give him big house in Makodi. After all these things, when this guy saw that they want to take over the land, he ran away and hide again, begin to fight this same Fulani henchmen that used to kill Benue people. Oton government, they conspire. They know that Benue love church. Benue love Christianity. Benue is a land of Christian. And Benue is a land of Catholic. They went to one powerful Catholic priest in Kasenala. That Catholic priest now start to call Tawasi, which is a Ghana, to come out. Let them make peace so that he can work with government. They want to use him, so they will buy him for all these bad eggs to take over. I'm saying one thing here. Only you will save your community, because governments always work with some top officials in the Christendom. Yes, government also work with top people in ordinary. That's why you have to raise up and start to fight for their land. Forget whom you are. Forget what they called you. New beginning is all we need. Youth must rise up and defend their land. When youth keep mute, face will spoil. Do you know that government use that Reverend Father in Kasenala? Even when Ghana, Tawasi, want to go for the meeting in Kasenala, they call it peace treaty. They want to do amnesty again. They told Ghana, don't go. We don't trust these people. Ghana said, no. I'm above human destruction. I have my charms. I have my power. I have my juju. Remember one thing. God, God, means what? Government of the day. When government wants to destroy you, God cannot work, because God is government. That's how they lure Ghana out from his hideout. He moved with all his entourage to Kasenala. He went there peacefully, so they will make peace. How to make Benue great again. Even Benue masses are jubilating. Benue masses are clapping, saying, yes, Ghana has been captured. They forget that that man is the one fighting their battle in the bush. When the man is there, they don't know that they have laid ambush. Nigerian military everywhere, from Kasenala to Ndigbo, from Ndigbo to Boko, from Boko upwards. They are there hiding with enough ammunitions, as if they are going to a common war. What happened next? As they are interacting in that meeting with that Reverend Father, God will never forgive that Reverend Father. That's how army troops entered and whisked away Tawasi, Ghana. He took his clothes, told the bango, because they think that that's where the juju is. They carried the man direct to Makurdi. On their way to Makurdi, Tawasi boys have heard what happened in Kasenala. They went ahead and blocked Ndigbo. I can hear the sound of gun. They face themselves face to face. But because Ghana was not prepared, because he went for a meeting without knowing that it's a setup from government officials and Catholic officials. When Ghana boys now begin to throw their bullets with government people, you know, government, they're prepared for the game. They have more than 30 healers. One Ghana boy tried to throw gun to Tawasi. Tawasi grabbed the gun as he wants to escape. They shot him. Tawasi died. From that day, Tawasi died. That's the day evil started in Benue State again. Government took over. There's a one parable I will drop here. That's Tawasi, aka Ghana, last word before he died. He's breathing. Blood is gushing out. He said that Benue will have no peace because they tied me for nothing. I fought their fights. I stand by them. And they conspire with government and Catholic group to buy me just like that. There will be no peace in Benue. That young man died. Go and check this history. I grew up in Benue. When Ghana died now, is there peace in Benue? Answer is no. Benue now is running hater skater. Benue has become no man's land. But see one thing now, they are running to Verydarkman, a hero from another town, to come and save them. But they find their own hero called Tawasi, aka Ghana. I saw Two-Face sitting here, speaking. Where are you people where they find Ghana? What do you say? You call him thief. You call him criminal. Upon that, you never saw him one day collecting money from you. I'm not a Benue man. But every hidden truth must come out. For you to know that the game has matured, because that Catholic has succeeded in removing Ghana. they give them governor. Because who by hero will become a hero. Now, do you know that it's a reverend father that becomes Benue governor? Are they doing well or are they doing bad? They are doing bad. Benue has gone forever. Because who by his hero can never stay to see the broad daylight. This is the situation of Benue now. Women are lamenting. People are lamenting. And do you know that Benue is basket fruit of all nations? They believe in agriculture. All their youth, either doing farming or doing Okada. There's no tangible business that Benue youth did. All of them, though many of them are graduates with no work on the streets. Fulani has entered them, start fighting them, start buying them, start raping them. Now they are crying. But their hero, called Tawasi, aka Ghana, they lure him out and bite him. Please, Benue people, go back to drawing board. Appease that young man soul because he stands for you. When he's fighting these people, you people don't know what he is doing. You think that he is nobody. You call him criminals because your government officials supported the movement because they know like somebody to be an intruder against their movement. They use you and you work for them. Every mama in Benue, every papa, every little children, that time, during the time of Tawasi, 50-50 that lives in Abaji as security head that work for him in Abaji, that one has died also. Many of that group has died because these people use government and village people to manipulate these movements. All the great men in Benue that stand toe to toe with all these bandits, they have pied them away one after the other. And now you are lamenting. Lamentation. Now you are crying. Where is the swan? The swan are nowhere to be found. Where is your turn? Nowhere to be found. Now is Catholic plus government. Benue, your problem is bigger than what we thought. Go background.